Hello everyone, let's have a look at the question over here. So in this question we have to talk about the statement which is correct for the genetic information, right? If we talk about the genetic information, that means we are talking about the case of the DNA or we are talking about the case of the RNA. These are the two kind of genetic material which are found in the all organisms, say it be prokaryotic or say it be the eukaryotic one, right? If we talk about the RNA, right, we have different type of RNA. In case of the eukaryotes, we have the tRNA, right? We have the messenger mRNA over here, then we have the ribosomal RNA, then we have the snRNA. So we can see apart from mRNA we have multiple options for the RNA also, right? Now if we talk about the liver cell, right, it says liver cell has one set of chromosome. This is not the concept over here, right? It says DNA is not found in prokaryotic cell, right? As I said,